Have you ever been asked the time in Moscow? Don't complicate it. Let us teach you how to answer like a local.
Извините, скажите, пожалуйста, который час?
Сейчас 2 часа.
Спасибо. Мой внук должен прийти из школы. Я жду его.
I don't know how to count in Russian. Can you tell me how? Of course. Let's count the clock numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Now, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did a great job learning those. We will practice numbers more later together. Now the golden rule for hours. For number 1, when it's exactly 1 o'clock, you might think you need to use the number 1. So if someone asks you the time and it's 1, no need to overcomplicate it, just say час. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, the word changes to chasa. Like 2 chasa, so 3 o'clock is 3 chasa. Yes, and for 4 o'clock we say 4 chasa. For all the numbers from 5 to 12, the word becomes chasov. Like 5 chasov or 10 chasov. You are a fast learner. Well, now you've got the exact hours and numbers. Let's practice these a bit, and then I'll explain you the rest. That sounds awesome!
Привет, деда!
Привет! Как дела в школе?
Subscribe to Sara Tiny Tales so you never lose track of time in Moscow. We'll see you later!
Пока!